Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change city in DiDi application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the DiDi application on your mobile device. After you're inside the main homepage of DiDi, go ahead and tap on the GPS icon on the bottom right hand corner. If you've recently changed your city, the GPS will automatically locate your location and you will then be able to change to the current city you are residing in on DiDi. If you've already set up your location and selected your destination while ordering a ride on DiDi, then if you want to change the city, then simply go to the top of the screen and tap on the change button after you end up in this page. Now, you can now edit your current location in the enter pickup point. Manually enter your address or tap on pin your location on the map option and select your location that you'd like to change to by dragging the pin and dropping it on your location on the map. Once you do that, tap on set pickup point in order to order a ride, and that is how you will be able to change city in DiDi application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.